6 months is our promise and extremely comprehensively.
From the very beginning itself, we are going to develop the sense of historiography. In class itself, we'll be practicing writing answers. We'll be instructing you what are the do's and don'ts.
Hello students, welcome to Level Up IS. After this year's stupendous result of History Optional, from History overall and Level Up IS in particular, we are going to launch a new foundation batch next month. This History Optional Foundation batch will be extremely comprehensive, upgraded, and as per the latest trend of UPSC. We'll first discuss some features of it and then talk about what is the approach we should follow.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you. तो सर ने जैसे मेंशन किया दैट वी आर गोइंग टू कॉम्प्रिहेंसिवली कवर द एंटायर सिलेबस इन अ टाइम बाउंड फैशन. अब ये नहीं प्रॉमिस कर सकते कि 4 महीने में करवा देंगे, वो नहीं हो सकता है, लेकिन 8 महीने भी नहीं लेने वाले हैं. वी आर गोइंग टू स्प्लिट द डिफरेंस. 6 मंथ्स में आपका पूरा सिलेबस हम कंप्लीट करवाने वाले हैं.
6 months is our promise and extremely comprehensively.
यस, पूरा का पूरा विद एवरी इनसाइट. एक इम्पॉर्टेंट फैसेट होता है हिस्ट्री का, हिस्टोरियोग्राफी, विच इज़ एक्चुअली द एसेंस ऑफ दिस सब्जेक्ट. तो वी आर गोइंग टू गिव अ लॉट ऑफ अटेंशन टू हिस्टोरियोग्राफी एंड फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगिनिंग इटसेल्फ वी आर गोइंग टू डेवलप द सेंस ऑफ हिस्टोरियोग्राफी. इसकी इंपॉर्टेंस के ऊपर एम्फेसाइज किया जाएगा. एंड जो आपका नॉलेज बेस है ना, विदाउट हिस्टोरियोग्राफी हम नहीं बनाएंगे. तो हिस्टोरियोग्राफी इज गोइंग टू बी इंटीग्रेटेड टू द एंटायर कोर्स.
सर, इसमें एक चीज़ है, दो स्टूडेंट्स हु हैव हिस्ट्री बैकग्राउंड इन बैचलर्स एंड मास्टर्स, for them we have to approach in different way. उनको थोड़ा सा उनका जो समेटा पसारा जो है उनको समेटना पड़ेगा.
Yes.
And for those who come from non-history background, we'll start from very basics and stage by stage make you expert in this topic.
Yes, yes. Obviously, marks answers लिखने के लिए ही मिलते हैं, तो there is a theoretical aspect to learning, but without answer writing practice, your preparation remains incomplete. So in class itself, we'll be practicing writing answers. We'll be instructing you कि what are the do's and don'ts, and class के अंदर ही हम answers लिखने वाले हैं. And we are going to take an extremely exam oriented approach. तो history में पढ़ने के लिए तो बहुत कुछ होता है, but what exactly is the UPSC interested in, and उन themes में से भी specifically किस तरह के questions बनाए जा रहे हैं. Sir, your thoughts?
Especially the PYQs.
Yeah, especially PYQ.
History optional is one such optional जहाँ पे लगभग 90-95% questions are PYQs every year. अगर आप 15-20 साल के PYQs सारे कर लेते हो अच्छे से with proper concrete conceptual understanding and answer writing practice, then you will not score less at all. वो गारंटी है. तो our objective is that in class we'll discuss lot of PYQs. At least 10 साल के पेपर क्लास में ही कवर करा देंगे.
Yes.
Chapter by chapter, section by section.
Yes. And then writing practice के through.
Yes.
अच्छा, this program also has a built-in test series as well. तो जिसमें कि 6 sectional tests हैं for ancient, early medieval, modern, post-independence and world history, and there are 2 full-length tests जो कि पूरे के पूरे सिलेबस को कंप्लीट करने वाला है. तो थ्रू दीज एंड थ्रू दी लाइव आंसर राइटिंग जो क्लास में टेस्ट क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन होंगे, तो रफली 10 years के क्वेश्चंस हम क्लास में ही डिस्कस कर लेंगे इन क्लास, राइट. And obviously we are going to be giving you comprehensive notes, fully updated, latest themes, previous years question जो अभी recently नए questions आए हैं, those we are also going to add insights. Historiography को भी upgrade किया हुआ है हम लोग ने, and this time around we are making certain changes that we are now going to start including within these notes a number of flowcharts, diagrams, figures to be able to give you a visual explanation of the concepts that are being discussed. So this is a new change that we are making. अच्छा, very important, mapping, right? तो 50 नंबर या question 1A compulsory question होता है. People find it very difficult, but if you approach this portion methodically, so it is the most scoring portion of the entire paper, right? तो यहाँ पे एक comprehensive module with a proper book जो कि बहुत systematically and scientifically बनाया गया है, that you will have access to as well.
So as a part of content जो हम देंगे, not only notes for all the parts of syllabus, we have a very unique PYQ book arranged in a very thematic manner.
Yes.
That is a very important guidebook, and then separate mapping book also.
Yes, separate mapping module as well. So these are the additional sources. And finally, वीकली वी आर गोइंग टू हैव डाउट सेशंस एट द एंड ऑफ द वीक. 6 दिन हमारी क्लासेस चलेंगी एंड either on Saturday or on Sunday we are going to have a doubt session, doubt clearing session. So here both online and offline students can get in touch with us and resolve those doubts जो कि हो सकता है रियल टाइम में क्लास में ना कर पाए हों. Now the program
Access to teachers is not an issue at all. You
Yeah.
have a dedicated Telegram group. You'll have personal phone numbers and WhatsApp numbers of both the faculties. By the way, Vishal sir will be teaching paper 1.
हाँ,
I'll be teaching paper 2.
yes.
So we
Paper
have-
1 includes ancient and medieval India. Paper 2 includes modern India and world history.
So
Yes, sir. So these were the things that we wanted to point out. Now program, as I believe you mentioned earlier also, begins on the 4th of May. Classes daily 2 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. चलने वाली हैं and 6 days a week होगा. Duration is 6 months and there is a test series included, mapping module included as well. The classes can be accessed either in online mode or in offline mode. तो hybrid mode वाला इस बार access नहीं होगा, right? So these are the things that we wanted to relate to you. Is there anything you'd like to add, sir?
जल्दी मिलते हैं.
जल्दी मिलते हैं. Hope
Just
to
one
see
thing is there, we have a dedicated YouTube channel for history optional.
Yeah.
You can go there, you'll find lot of content, lots of lectures, lots of toppers talks, lots of answer writing sessions, lots of thematic discussions also. So that is something called as something of an archival repository that we have developed,
Hmm.
and it is still in the process of being developed.
It
आप
is,
उसको
it
refer-
is always a work in progress. उसमें कुछ ना कुछ जुड़ता रहता है
That
हमेशा.
is one. Secondly, you can see lot of toppers talks there, especially history दरबार series जो हमारी इस साल की है.
हाँ. So we have brought a number of toppers.
4-5
हाँ,
students
four
for history optional.
students history options से
उन
हैं.
सब के सेशंस यूट्यूब पे है. You can go and watch them. Very insightful, very useful. And then finally, if you want to look at the test series copies of our toppers, you can just go here, click here, and download all the copies, test copies, and learn from that. And this is the PYQ booklet also that is available here.
Hmm.
You can download any point of
So
time.
this is another free resource. इसको I would suggest कि चाहे आप यहाँ से करें चाहे कहीं और से करें, एटलीस्ट ये PYQ बुकलेट तो जरूर डाउनलोड करिएगा, बिकॉज दिस इज लाइक अ की विच अनलॉक्स द एंटायर सब्जेक्ट को अप्रोच करने के लिए. दिस इज प्रॉब्ली द बेटर गाइड.
Yes. तो 4 मार्च को ओरिएंटेशन,
हाँ, 4 मई को
4
ओरिएंटेशन,
मई को
and
ओरिएंटेशन.
then we'll be proceeding with regular classes thereafter.
Yes. So on 4th of May, 2 o'clock, we'll discuss lots of things, strategy, sources, approach, philosophy. आपको शुरू से क्या क्या चीज़ देखनी है for next 6 months and entire year before you appear for the mains, ताकि आपके सारे काम आसान हो जाए.
Hmm.
और क्या गलतियां ना करें, do's and don'ts. We'll
Do's and
discuss
don'ts.
all of them on 4th of May in the orientation lecture.
Yes.
Please come. Thank you.
Thank you.